My dinner for today, guys, is Japanese karage bento. Tignan mo siya. Look at this, guys. Meron tayong tamagoyaki, carrots, broccoli, and chicken. Karage means fried chicken. This is a chicken tight siya, guys. Very soft. Yan. Look at that. This is my dinner for today. Oh, you so look yummy. Isn't it? Wow. It look yummy, guys. This is my dinner for today. Look at that. Wow. And naglagay din ako ng Japanese furikake sa ibabaw ng kanin. In the top of the rice, I put Japanese shaki seasoning, salmon seasoning. Wow, look at that. That's yummy. Oh, that's my dinner for today. Oh, that's good, yummy. Yep. Wow. That's my dinner for today, guys. Karage bento.